Hello dear learners, my name is Sumitra Patra from Gajra International School, Katargam. Today we are going to learn grade 2 maths and the topic is fraction. Now do you know what is fraction? Fraction means a part of a whole. Suppose we divide the apple into two equal parts, okay? And if you give one half or one portion to your sister, remaining one part is with you, okay. So this equal two parts of a whole is called fraction. This is one part and this is also one part and both parts are equal. So this is called fraction. Now how to write fraction? Fraction can be written in the form of numerator and denominator. For example, 1 upon 2. So 1 is considered as numerator upon 2 is considered as denominator. So 1 upon 2 is a fraction. So 1 is numerator and 2 is your denominator. Now how to find fraction from a given figure? For example, this is a circle and the circle is divided into two equal parts. One part is colored and another part is uncolored. Now, if you find the fraction of colored portion, how to write the fraction of colored portion? First of all, you have to find out what is the total number of portion. The circle is divided into two equal portion. So, there are two total equal portions. So, denominator is 2. Now, how many parts color? Only one part is colored. So, we will write numerator as 1. So, 1 upon 2 portion is colored. Okay. If you have to find how many portion is uncolored or what is the portion uncolored, we have to find the fraction. Same we have to first decide how many total equal parts. Total parts will be your denominator, okay, two equal parts and one portion is uncolored. That means 1 is your numerator. Now, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So, 1 upon 2, that means half part is uncolored and half part is colored. So, 1 upon 2 colored part, fraction of colored part and 1 upon 2 is the fraction of uncolored portion. So, now comes to second figure. This is also a circle and the circle is divided into three equal parts. See, the circle is divided into three equal parts and two equal parts are colored. Now, what is the fraction of colored portion? We have to first find how many equal parts, total parts of the circle. The total parts are 3. This is your denominator. And how many portions are colored? 2 portions are colored. So, 2 is your numerator. That means 2 upon 3 fraction is your colored portion. Okay. Now, second is if you have to find out how many portion is uncolored or what is the fraction of uncolored portion. Same you have to find out first the total number of portion, that is 3. The circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Now, one part is your uncolored, this part is not colored. So, we have to write here 1 as numerator. That means 1 upon 3 portion or 1 upon 3 is the fraction of uncolored portion. This is how to write the fraction. Okay, now what is half and what is 1/3 and what is 1/4 in fraction? Okay, what is half? Half means consider this is a whole. Okay, and if we divide the whole into two parts, that is, this is your 1/2 and this is your 1/2. Two halves make one whole. These two halves make one whole. That means if a whole is divided into or parts into two equal parts, each part is called your half and each part is half, and half can be written in the fraction form is 1 upon 2. Now, what is 1/3? See, this is a whole. If we divide the whole into 3 equal parts, this is your 1/3, this is also your 1/3, this is your also 1/3. That means 3 1/3 make a whole. That means if whole is divided into 3 parts, each part is called your 1/3, and 1/3 can be written as 1 upon 3. This is your fraction form of 1/3. Now, what is 1/4? See, consider this is a whole, and if the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4. This is your 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So, 4 1/4 make a whole. And how to write 1/4? We can write 1/4 as 1 upon 4, and 1/4 is also called quarter. Okay, this is all about your fraction and how to write the fraction. I hope you will understand the topic very well. Goodbye and have a nice day.